Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we're going to learn how we can cancel one-click pay on the Temu app. One-click pay is when you order something and you tap on the card icon to pay it in one click. Open the Temu app on your device, then go to U. Under U, go to Settings, then inside your payment methods, you will find there is an option that is called one-click pay. It only appears when you have previously ordered and paid via the Temu app. If you have not, it will not appear there. When you see one-click pay option enabled in your account, there will be an option to disable or remove it beside it. Simply press on it and then you will be able to disable one-click pay on your account. If you still have a problem with one-click pay not being disabled, you can contact the Temu Help Center as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and also make sure you're subscribed to our channel. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.